You only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let it go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I'll be showing you a short unboxing video of the Diva ring light Supernova. And I chose this specific light because it has the dimmable option, which I personally like. So I'll be showing you guys how I put the ring light together, and to also see how I set it up, just go ahead and keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
With your favorite dress on, that's one of my favorite memories that I've kept on the road with me. I know it's crazy how things change so quick. Went from rock bottom to all this fame and shit, but look, I couldn't love you, but I wished I could.
So this first item that I'm taking out is called a Z-bracket, and with this you're able to mount this to your ring light, and this will hold your camera. And it also came with 2 extra screws. And then this next item is called a gooseneck, and this is what I'll be attaching to my ring light so it holds my stand.
I'm missing nights when you would call, just checking in. The girl I love, I ain't seen it in months.
So here I'm just showing you guys that you are not supposed to remove this big screw, because if you do, it'll mess up the whole ring light, and you do not want to do that because this thing was not cheap. So the only thing I'm doing is removing these smaller screws, just so I'm able to attach the gooseneck to it and screw it in.
Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let it go. Whoa, whoa. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low.
What I'm doing here is attaching the gooseneck to my ring light using those 2 screws I just took out.
But you let it go. My bitches, my bitches. My bitches, my bitches. My bitches, my bitches. My bitches, my bitches. When I'm out here on the road, it's just me and my bitches. Shit is all I know, just me and my bitches. But girl, trust me, this is how it's gotta be. When I close my eyes, you're the one that I see. Cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Whoa, whoa.
So all I'm doing here is completely unscrewing this piece out, just so I'm able to place the light stand inside of it.
When you let her go. But you let her go.
I'm just removing this small cap just so I'm able to place it inside the gooseneck.